Alright, we're out with the freewing MiG. Crazy windy. Storm has passed. It's all over there now. Wind's coming straight out of the west. And say 30 to 40 km/h gusts. Like, look at those trees and the weeds over there just dancing. Okay, recording. Didn't look like we're recording for a second. So this is a little handles the wind pretty good. Hopefully, we'll find out. Oh, look at that! I just let go of it. There we go. She's flying good in the wind. Little warm-up plane. Oh, it's the wind picking it up, I guess. Turn into the wind. Oh, it's having an issue. It's going upwind. Come downwind for a nice fast pass. Probably the fastest that plane's ever gone. Flew the ME-626 yesterday and the wind was half as strong as this. I might take it out and try it in this. It seemed to handle the wind really good. I have 2 batteries for it, or I have a battery for it and a battery for the A10. Whichever I do, I don't know. This little MiG, she's just an easy flyer. No AS3X or anything like that in it. She's just flies good. Whoa. It stuttered. I don't know if that picked up on the mic or not. It went, shoot. Perfect clouds for flying today, just the wind sucks. Downwind, it's a rocket ship for sure. Just wish it had a rudder. Same as the Goblin. Doesn't have a rudder either. When you're going that fast, you might want a rudder. Oh, and this is only 3S. I might... Ooh, there's another popping noise. It's like it's backfiring. That's weird. I think that might be a sign to land. Oh, wind's taking her. Let's sit her down here in the long grass. I don't know, a weird popping noise. I did it twice. I don't see any smoke, so that's a good thing. Doesn't smell bad. Yeah, it's almost LVC. Good thing I landed. Alright, well that's the freewing Durafly, or not Durafly, freewing MiG. It's awesome, 64 mil, only a 5-blade fan, but she trucks along pretty good for what it is, for being a 3S plane. That's my setup in it. 1500 AR. I think 610 or 20 or something like that. 10 AR 610. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.